How lucky we are to have someone who makes saying goodbye so hard. Indeed, this is not a farewell, this is a thank you. Thank you for coming into our life, giving us joy, happiness, enthusiasm, energy, inspiration, and motivation. Thank you for loving us and receiving our love in return. And thank you for the memories we will cherish forever.
Light symbolizes brightness and prosperity. It removes the forces of darkness and gives us positivity. In spiritual world, light means light. So we can also think of light as giving us new direction in life. With this noble thought, let us start this evening by lighting the lamp with our awe-inspiring principal man.
ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
Ladies and gentlemen, some people come into our lives and quickly go. Others stay a while, make footprints on our hearts, and we are never ever the same. We are glad we had such students in our school. To rejuvenate the past and celebrate the moment, we have woven some precious memories of our outgoing batch of class 12. Let's enjoy the moment together.
ऐ खुदा मुझको बता तू रहता कहाँ क्या तेरा पता हम तो यहाँ पे मुसाफिर हैं जो ढूंढते अपनी मंजिल का पता ऐ खुदा मुझको बता तू रहता कहाँ क्या तेरा पता हम तो यहाँ पे मुसाफिर हैं जो ढूंढते अपनी मंजिल का पता यादा तेरी यादा आती है
Wow! The memories were indeed mesmerizing, especially when we all were not physically present at school during these testing times. To build the momentum and add fire to the spirit, allow me to call our worthy principal ma'am, Dr. Sangeeta Saxena, to share her inspirational thoughts with us.
A very good evening to all the parents of TMSP.
For this virtual farewell of Class 12 Batch 2021 and all the dignitaries present here. I will begin by delivering a big thanks to the parents of our beloved students of Class 12 and to every parent of TMSP for nurturing, upbringing and supporting our dear students. Years ago, he brought a very hesitant son or a daughter to this school. Now, it is time to take back a very confident, competent, committed, hopefully a passionate future citizen. Thank you for your unique contribution in forming your ward. Of course, not to forget the support that you have given us in the COVID pandemic. It is indeed applaudable. Can we please applaud for our proud parents of grade 12? Coming to my dear graduating students, you entered the portal of TMSP several years ago, and now the time has come to bid farewell to your institution which has protected you and guided you all these years. Today, you stand at a threshold. If you look back over your shoulder, you will see the life you have lived for about 13 years. You will probably do that from time to time. Yes, you will look back, but you cannot go back in life. Life is very complicated. Today, you will see that we believe we have given you necessary tools, academic, moral, spiritual, for this very challenging task. We will watch and pray that you use these tools efficiently and effectively in your life ahead. Remember, when you struggle, it is the struggle itself that will make you nobler and your life will be more meaningful. Now it is time to let you go, and I do this with the same prayer as I had been doing every morning, that each of you reach on the fullness of life, achieve your dream, and make a mark in the world as a Millenniate. My wish for each one of you this morning is that whatever you have learned here take you to the world of limitless possibility. Go forth and embrace your future with open arms and enthusiastically pursue your own life journey of discovery. May God bless you abundantly. I have written a small poem for you. It goes like this. Goodbye, dear children, so long. You will remain in our heart lifelong. May you all soar high with your aspiration rocket high. I want to wish you best in life. You will have to struggle, but you will strive. Do well in life with powerful dreams. Never stop or quit, even if difficult it seems. I will hold my tears as much as I can. I believe in destiny's plan. You know our blessings for you. Our love for you was always true. We nurtured you in our cocoon, knowing where you will break and fly soon. Even if you are leaving the school, we will always support you as a rule. We know you succeed in this race. We will let you go and give your space. Never show your attitude. Respect your teachers in gratitude, making you a human being so humble. You will never take any wrong decision. Don't fumble. Even year after year, you will grow so tall. Now you can climb every wall. Our prayers are always with you as I wish you adieu, adieu. God bless you, children. Be successful in life, and remember, we are always there for you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Our memories of yesterday will last a lifetime. We will take the best and forget the rest. And someday we will find that these are the best of times. Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your precious thoughts. A truly great leader like you is hard to find. जब जब तुमको याद करेंगे तब तब हम फरियाद करेंगे. जब जब तुमको याद करेंगे तब तब हम फरियाद करेंगे. तुम सब खुश रहो, आबाद रहो. हम दिल से यही दुआ करेंगे. हम दिल से यही दुआ करेंगे. Now it's time to honor our outgoing batch with some memorable titles.
That was indeed fantabulous. We wish to catch you soon again, sooner than the blink of our eye. You will be missed, and your memories will be cherished with every moment passing by. Let's listen to a mesmerizing song sung by Sahaj Goel of Class 11.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to guide you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. We find out what we're made of when we are called or help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Wasn't it melodious? May the road rise up to meet you. May the wind be ever at your back. May the sun shine warm upon your face and the rain fall softly on your fields. And until we meet again, may God hold you in the hollow of His hand. Now let's have the second round of titles.
I remember way back when we used to get to school, we used to hate waking up in the morning and dressing up to go to school. But now, at this stage, I would just do anything to relive my school days with my seniors. I'm sure there are a million other memories we all have of the time spent together. How about rejuvenating them right here, right now?
Ishika, why are you sad? Oh, I'm missing my school days and my friends. Let's get back to our school.
बापू सेहत के लिए
रुकना नहीं है।
बापू सेहत के लिए तू तो हानिकारक है बापू सेहत के लिए तू तो हानिकारक है हमको थोड़ी दया तो कर हम नन्हे बालक है
ना कोई पढ़ने वाला, ना कोई सीखने वाला, ना कोई पढ़ने वाला, ना कोई सीखने वाला। अपनी तो पाठशाला मस्ती की पाठशाला, अपनी तो पाठशाला मस्ती की पाठशाला।
Oh wow! Sports period. Let's play football. Hockey. No football. Hockey. No. Okay, let's see.
Class, today's raining outside, so the sports period is cancelled.
से जो टूटे कोई सपना जग सुना सुना लागे, जग सुना सुना लागे, कोई रहे ना जब अपना। जग सुना सुना लागे, जग सुना सुना है तो ये क्यों होता है? जब ये दिल रोता है, रोए सिसक सिसक के हवाएं। जग सुना लागे, छन से जो टूटे कोई सपना।
कब सुनोगे तुम कभी नहीं सुनोगे।
हम नहीं सुधरेंगे, हम नहीं सुधरेंगे, थोड़ा और बिगड़ेंगे, हम नहीं सुधरेंगे। ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना, ना 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 ना, सीखेंगे हम ये यही है क्या गलत क्या सही। स्कूल के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना, ना 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 ना, आएंगे ना। ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना, ना 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 ना।
Let's learn about trigonometry today.
is equal to 1 beta, then cos square theta minus sin square theta equals to cos 2 theta. 1 plus 1 equals to 11 नहीं होता बेटा। बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स में हम कुल बस मैथ्स में डब्बा गुल गुल गुल। मैथ्स में डब्बा गुल, मैथ्स में डब्बा गुल, मेरा मैथ्स में डब्बा गुल, मैथ्स में डब्बा गुल। then cos square theta minus sin square theta equals to cos 2 theta.
Good morning, students. Okay, all of you get ready for your surprise test.
हर मैदान फतेह, हर मैदान फतेह, बंदे हर मैदान फतेह, हर मैदान फतेह।
School days are the best days of our lives. We feel lucky to be a part of the Millennium School Bathinda. The school has given us several memories, true friends, and lessons for life. Our principal, Dr. Sangeeta Saxena, has always encouraged us and given us opportunities to explore our talent. Our teachers have been our backbone, our guide, and our mentor. The school has a special place in our hearts and will always be missed.
Yes, goodbyes are hard to say, but they have to be said as a custom. Now we have Bubble Man with a special message on behalf of all the teachers for the students of class 12.
Hello students. The best thing about schools is that they teach you to think out of the box. The things you have learned so far will always give a bright tomorrow. Your journey with our school may stop here, but above all, it's the beginning of new heights for you. You will always be remembered by all. My dear students, set your goals high and always dream big. Never give up chasing your dreams. Believe in yourself and the world will always be yours. May you blessed with success and glory. We are so happy for you. Wishing you all the very best of life. God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am. To gain the lost momentum, let's put on our dancing shoes with the juniors.
ये भी न जाने, वो भी न जाने, नैनों के रंग नैना जाने, मिला जो संग तेरा, उड़ा पतंग मेरा, हवा में होके मलंग। जग की कोई रीत न जाने, मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी, मिला जो संग तेरा, उड़ा पतंग मेरा, हवा में होके मलंग।
Wow, that was indeed an energetic performance. Up we have Anhad with a good luck message for our outgoing batch of Class 12.
Greetings to one and all present here. I am Anand Singh of Class 11 Humanities. As Class 12 embarks upon a new journey of life, I just wish to say, at this watershed moment of your lives, my dear friends, with your hard work, dedication and focus, you will reach your goal, my friends. These lovely days in Millennium, you can recapture today. Seize the present moment, as now is the day. May you find the mountain that is right for you. Enjoy your journey and may your skies be blue. The future lies before you like a field of fallen snow. Tread with determination, which will ensure your success as you plow. Wishing you good luck for your bright future, my dear seniors. Thank you.
Thank you, Anand, for the heartfelt message. Don't be dismayed at goodbyes. A farewell is necessary before you can meet again, and meeting again after moments or lifetimes are certain for those who are friends. Let's continue with the token of appreciations from the juniors.
Thank you guys for the shower of love and blessings. Now we have Janya Sharma with a vote of thanks on behalf of the students of Class 12.
काश फिर मिलने की वजह मिल जाए, साथ जितना भी बताया वो पल मिल जाए। चलो अपनी अपनी आंखें बंद कर ले, शायद ख्वाबों में गुजरा हुआ कल मिल जाए। Firstly, I heartily thank all our dear teachers. Also, I reckon here I speak on behalf of every student when I thank the teachers. Dear Principal Ma'am, we wanted to share our sincerest thanks to you. It has not been an easy transition for any of us, but your leadership and positive attitude has helped us pull through. We really appreciate your constant dedication to keep us updated and informed, especially during these rapidly changing times. We feel very fortunate to have you as our principal. Thank you for all that you've done for us. Words fall short of describing the contribution you have made for us. We always remember and acknowledge you and love you from the core of our hearts. I am thankful to the other staff as well. The janitors who always gave us a clean and well-maintained campus, school gardeners who created a green environment for us, security personnel as well who kept the school so safe and guarded it. I genuinely appreciate the effort they have made for us to have a great time at school. And how can I leave behind mentioning my amazing juniors at this critical day? You have turned our time at this school an unforgettable experience. The unity and harmony among the students of this school is beyond comparison. There is something very precious about the brotherhood within the school students. Dear friends, you have given me the most beautiful and happy experiences. I will miss the life away from our friends, and I'm sure this is the feeling we all have in common on this day. Wise sayings that childhood friendships are the strongest. Keeping this belief in my heart, I wish that our friendship will be eternal. Thank you once again, all my friends and dear teachers, for shaping the best years of my life. I am thankful to my life for being a part of the school. This beautiful experience is priceless. I will always remain thankful to my school for making me who I am today. At last, I would just quickly like to add something. We thought that controlling our laughter in a class full of pin drop silence was the most challenging thing to do. Little did we know that controlling our tears on the last day of school would be 1,000,000 times harder. Thank you.
Thanks, Jermaine. You all will remain young in our thoughts and fresh in our minds. Love you all. ਕਿਹਦਾ ਪੁੱਤ ਤੇ ਕਿਹਦਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਪੋਤਾ ਪੱਗ ਬੰਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਨੀ ਕਿਹਦਾ ਪੁੱਤ ਤੇ ਕਿਹਦਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਪੋਤਾ ਪੱਗ ਬੰਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਸਰਦਾਰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਭੰਗੜੇ 'ਚ ਪਾਵੇ ਬੜਕਾ ਨੀ ਉਹੀ ਉਹ ਕਲਾਕਾਰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਨੀ ਉਹੀ ਉਹ ਕਲਾਕਾਰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਲਾਲੀ ਤੇ ਬੁੱਲਾਂ ਤੇ ਮਿੱਠੀ ਮਿੱਠੀ ਮੁਸਕਾਨ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਪੇਸ਼ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਮਿਲੇਨੀਅਮ ਸਕੂਲ ਦੇ ਅਣਖੀ ਮੁਛਫਟ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਤੇ ਨਖਰੀਆਂ ਭਰੀਆਂ ਅੜਬ ਮੁਟਿਆਰਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦਾ ਪ੍ਰਸਿੱਧ ਲੋਕ ਨਾਚ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਭੰਗੜਾ ਭੰਗੜਾ
You're in the mix with DJ Hans.
ਸੂਟ ਚੱਕ ਵੇ ਸਲਾਈ ਕਰੀ ਫਿਰਦੀ ਰੀਝ ਪੂਰੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਚੰਨਾ ਬੜੇ ਚਿਰ ਦੀ ਸੂਟ ਚੱਕ ਵੇ ਸਲਾਈ ਕਰੀ ਫਿਰਦੀ ਰੀਝ ਪੂਰੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਚੰਨਾ ਬੜੇ ਚਿਰ ਦੀ ਫੋਨ ਵਾਰ-ਵਾਰ ਫਿਰਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਚੁੰਮਦੀ ਭੇਜੀ ਤੂੰ ਜਦੋਂ ਹਾਂ ਲਿਖ ਕੇ ਵੇ ਮੈਂ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਬਣਾਉਣੀ ਦੇਦੀ ਕੰਗਣੀ ਵੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਂ ਲਿਖ ਕੇ ਹਾਂ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਬਣਾਉਣੀ ਦੇਦੀ ਕੰਗਣੀ ਵੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਂ ਲਿਖ ਕੇ ਵੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਂ ਲਿਖ ਕੇ ਭਾੜਾ ਜੱਜੇਗਾ ਤੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਖੜਾ ਵੇ ਖੁੱਲੇ ਨਾਪੇ ਦਾ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਦੇਤਾ ਕੜਾ ਵੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਹਰ ਵੇਲੇ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਸਰਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਮੈਂ ਸੱਚੀ ਤਾਂ ਲਿਖ ਕੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਬਣਾਉਣੀ ਦੇਦੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਂ ਲਿਖ ਕੇ ਹਾਂ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਬਣਾਉਣੀ ਦੇਦੀ ਕੰਗਣੀ ਵੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਂ ਲਿਖ ਕੇ ਵੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਂ ਲਿਖ ਕੇ ਕਦੋਂ ਕਾਲਾ ਉੱਤੇ ਛੱਪਣੀ ਨੇ ਨਾਮ ਵੇ ਕਦੋਂ ਬਣੂ ਤੇਰੀ ਪੱਕੀ ਮੈਂ ਗੁਲਾਮ ਵੇ ਕਦੋਂ ਕਾਲਾ ਉੱਤੇ ਛੱਪਣੇ ਨੇ ਨਾਮ ਵੇ ਕਦੋਂ ਬਣੂ ਤੇਰੀ ਪੱਕੀ ਮੈਂ ਗੁਲਾਮ ਵੇ ਕਦੋਂ ਘੁੰਮਣੇ ਨੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਕੈਮਰੇ ਕਦੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੂੰ ਕਰੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਚੂੜੇ ਵਾਲੀ ਬਾਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮੋਢੇ ਰੱਖ ਕੇ ਜੀ ਜਿੱਤ ਫੋਟੋਆਂ ਕਰੋ ਨੂੰ ਹਾਂ ਜੀ ਹਾਂ ਫੋਟੋਆਂ ਕਰੋ ਨੂੰ ਕਰੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਚੂੜੇ ਵਾਲੀ ਬਾਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮੋਢੇ ਰੱਖ ਕੇ ਜਿੱਤ ਫੋਟੋਆਂ ਕਰੋ ਨੂੰ ਕਰੇ
School, a place where we start our learning. We laugh, create memories, and explore ourselves. In Millennium School Bathinda, we got many experiences with great education. We joined the school many years back, but it seems like it was yesterday. I want to thank my teachers for making us good students and helps us in making our future bright. We're gonna miss these days, our teachers, and obviously our school life.
Hello everyone, my name is Raimanjot Singh Sira of class 12. It is with both a heavy heart and a happy heart that I begin my speech today. And you can't even comprehend how much I am going to miss all of the school and all of my companions once we graduate from this campus. My friends, my teachers, my juniors and all the non-teaching faculty on the campus. You have been a great help shaping all inside me and played a pivotal part in my life. Helped me shape my career. With pride in my chest and confidence in my heart, I can say that you guys have made me a better person and helped me to face all the future challenges that will life throw at me. I would like to conclude my farewell speech by saying that we are about to witness some beautiful years ahead in our life, and this is the last day of the school. It is no way means that is the last day of our friendship. Let us promise each other that we will stay in touch no matter and keep coming back to the school with no obligations and no strings attached. There might be a farewell for our school days, but it can never be a farewell for a friendship and learning. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Arshdeep Singh and I have spent 4 years in the Millennium School Bathinda. And these 4 years have been the very best in my life. I have made a lot of friends, new memories, learned a lot of things. And now our school life is coming to an end. We will be going out in the real world. But before we do that, I would like to thank our teachers, the principal ma'am, and all the staff people at the TMSP for making these years very good for us. Even in the challenging time of the pandemic due to COVID-19, they made sure our studies were effective. They provided us with everything we needed to make sure we could be the person they always wanted us to be. Thank you.